How to delete or blank WhatsApp about. First, open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Rhythmic and tap on it. Now install the app. Go back to your device settings. In the search bar, type keyboard. Then tap on keyboard and input method. Then tap on current keyboard. Change the keyboard to Rhythmic keyboard. Now go back and open your WhatsApp app. At the top right corner, tap on three dots. Then tap on settings. Tap on your profile at the top. Now tap on about. Tap on the pencil icon to edit your about. Unfortunately, you cannot delete your about or leave it blank. But use this trick to make your about blank. Tap on number in the keyboard. Then tap on this and select this key. Now tap on save. See, your about is saved in blank, and that's it. This is how you can set who can see your WhatsApp about.